Every single automated movement around you right now relies on one critical component that most people never think about. From the robotic arms assembling your smartphone to the hospital bed adjusting beneath a patient, actuator motors are the invisible force making modern automation possible. Think about this. 20 years ago, moving heavy machinery required massive hydraulic pumps or air compressors. Today, a motor smaller than your coffee cup can lift thousands of pounds with millimeter precision. That's the revolution of electric actuator technology. So what exactly is an actuator motor? It's not just any motor. It's a specialized power unit designed to work within a complete motion system. While a regular motor just spins, an actuator motor converts that spin into controlled linear pushes and pulls or precise rotary positioning. Here's why this matters for your projects. Electric actuators are replacing hydraulic and pneumatic systems everywhere because they're cleaner, more efficient, and infinitely more programmable. Whether you're designing industrial automation, medical equipment, or even home automation systems, understanding these components is essential. The technology breaks down into two main categories: linear actuators that create straight-line motion, and rotary actuators for angular positioning. Both use clever mechanical systems like lead screws, ball screws, or gear trains to transform motor rotation into useful work. But here's what many engineers miss. Selecting the right actuator isn't just about force and speed ratings. You need to consider duty cycle, environmental conditions, feedback requirements, and control systems. Get these wrong and you'll face premature failures and performance issues. This comprehensive guide covers everything from basic operating principles to advanced selection criteria and maintenance procedures. Find the link in the description below to read the full article.